Good morning. Yes, we are up and loaded and ready to roll out. We've got everything in the car. I have Greg, he is here, and we are ready to go home. It's been a long trip. Let's have a quick look at the trip data. 3,842 miles, 1,372 kilowatt hours, or that's 1.372 megawatt hours of energy so far, at a rate of 357. Today we are doing a beeline directly from Nashville to Asheville and then south to Tryon. So that's our goal. Today we're going to stop and see one of our other buddies, Richard, for lunch. So we're burning daylight. Let's move on down the road. And no trip is even possible without a Scottish breakfast in the morning.
In 1 mile, keep left to take Interstate 40 east toward Knoxville.
As you can see, we are eastbound on Interstate 40, and everybody and their brothers going to work. That's awesome. Being a retired guy, we like to see these folks make our Social Security, so that's a good thing. Anyway, we got to battle the sun and battle the traffic, but we're getting there. Continuing down Interstate 40. Yeah, let's look at the traffic still coming to work. That's okay. Alright, so what is this thing? Oh, blasting alerts. I guess that's dynamite or TNT or something. Well, we better go like hell now. Wow. I was wondering why that big old truck had such a tiny little container. That was pretty weird. Now I know why. Got to increase our distance to those guys. Wow. Yeah, this is a funny thing. Look at it. It says not responsible, yet it's not covered, and it's spewing out crap. Mullins Farms. Wow. And then when you break your window, they're going to go, well, I had a sign on the back of my truck that said, well, stay back and we're not responsible. But they didn't even do their job. They didn't cover their load, and it was spitting out junk all over the place. Come on now. You can do better. In fact, you notice this mail truck? It says Memphis, MEM to Nashville. Well, he missed Nashville because that's behind us here. They probably switched the trailer, you never know. Certainly I don't wish traffic on anybody, but looks like some little red car plowed the guardrail. And it's clogged up all these guys here, and I think it'll be there for a while. They're moving slow, but oh man, that sucks so bad to be stuck in traffic due to a wreck or something. on the outskirts of Knoxville. Looks like 14 minutes to the supercharger. We're getting there now. We're just getting off the interstate here, exit 383 to the supercharger in Brookview.
Now take exit 383 on the right.
Yeah, what she said.
Now keep right to take North Shore Drive.
North Shore Drive. All right, we need to get over one, I think.
Now turn right onto North Shore Drive.
Yeah, well, that's not quite true, but it's okay. Paper mill. See, North Shore is straight. The nav always does this to me.
Well,
Yeah. Yeah, great. See, you're supposed to go straight, and then it's over there behind the building. So we're just going to end up going this way because we got no other way to go. Yeah, we'll just wait till the light turns. Yeah, it's confusing at best. If they would put it on the pavement, we'd be okay. All right, here we go. Yeah, we got to go where the output is generally down here, but it'll figure it out, and it has already. So instead of going straight, you can go to the right and then go down to this light and make a
In
left.
500 feet, turn left onto North Scarborough Road.
Yep, that's it. So that's
now turn left onto North Scarborough Road.
So that's a demonstration how to turn wrong. I've done that several times. You come off the highway and it's not real clear and she's not talking, so it's a little bit confusing, but it's okay. So you go this way. Usually when you leave the supercharger, you can come out this way and then get right on the interstate going to the west. If you're going to the east, you should go the other way because it's more direct. But either way is just fine. So we drive around
In
here.
500 feet, turn left onto Brookview Centerway.
Yes, we will. We need the juice.
Now turn left onto Brookview Centerway.
Yes, ma'am. Oof. Okay.
Now turn right to stay on Brookview Centerway.
Let's see. I think we go up here, and if we're really good, we get locked out. Jeez Louise. Yeah, you can't get there from here. But if you're creative, you can go this way. Make sure nobody's coming. Yeah, we're good. Version 3, park anywhere. So that's what we're going to do.
Now turn left onto Brookview Centerway.
No, we're already here, honey. All right. Put the lines, the end of the lines where you want them, or you want your fanny. And this has a bumper. There you go. Now we're on the bumper. Let's have a look at the trips. We cracked 4,000 miles. 4,022 miles. 1.437 megawatt hours of energy used at a rate of 357. All right, we arrived with 11%. Let's get hooked up and down the road. We are off like a dirty shirt. We're on Interstate 40 eastbound, leaving Knoxville. 85% in the tank, 24% on arrival at home, but we're going to stop in Hendersonville for lunch with our buddy Richard. So we're going to modify that a little bit, but off we go. And just like that, we're here at El Paso. 25%. Got a little ways to go yet to my house, but it is okay. Let's have a look at the trips here. Oh yeah, check this out. 4,163 miles. Round trip, almost home. 1.482 megawatt hours of energy used at an average rate of 356. Well, there you have it. We'll see you soon. I'll be back out, and I may need a forklift to get back in the car. And here's my two buddies. Say something, Richard.
Hey.
So they know you're not AI.
We wish you were AI.
Yeah.
But you're not.
We've left El Paso. Good lunch. Met with the guys. It was nice catching up. I'm headed home now. I'm here on Interstate 26 eastbound, which is really north and south here. And we're heading to the house. We're going to drop the Model Y off and pick up the Rivian. And I'm off to take Greg home down in South Carolina. Got to do some shopping at the Home Depot. And then when all of that is done, I'll head home, and I'll be home after the trip. So stay tuned for that. Greg and I made it home to North Carolina. Let's look at our trip data. Survey says 4,185 miles, 1.487 megawatt hours of energy used for this whole trip for 4,185 miles. And an average of 355. Arrived home here at 17%. Now, today's video is not over, so don't go away. I still got to take Greg home, so let's go. Wham! Just like that, we're in an R1T Rivian. Headed down to Greg's place. We're going to make a stop at the Home Depot, pick up some things for Greg where we need the truck. Drop Greg off and then head back home. Greg's 23 miles south in South Carolina from where I live. And I will tell you, the ride between the Model Y and this one rides more like a tank, even though we're on soft ride, but it's okay. It's supposed to be a truck. Yeah, look at that. We've got Kyle Connor style windows here. They're filthy. Anyway, nav says, what's that say? 16 miles. We'll be at the Home Depot here in Greer. We went to the first Home Depot and came up nil on our door, but we did find the electrical stuff. So we're headed over to the next Home Depot, number of 7 miles away here. Sun's going down. What an awesome sunset. We had to stop and get some Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew. Got to keep going. Looks like the sky is on fire. How cool is that? If you liked today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. Don't forget to pass it on to your friends. I'm pretty sure they'd like to see the content as well. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.